What's your advice on when to know it's time to start your own business? So now someone's come up through a company like yours, or an electrical group or an HVAC contractor. They've learned the skills, they're proficient. They got to make that jump to now starting their own business, having their own trucks, maybe a couple of guys.
Yeah.
How many years under your belt do you think people should have?
Well, first of all,
that's a big jump.
Yeah.
You gotta. Now you're responsible for other people. You're responsible for feeding them as well as for feeding yourself.
I think most of the time, like for example, let's say Joe or Dan, who went out on their own, they worked by themselves first of all.
Yeah.
And
so they started as sole practitioners.
Sole practitioners, working on little jobs, doing this, doing that, and learning.
Right.
You know, learning how to deal with the customer, learning how to do this. But in the process of working for us, they went to school at night to get their construction license, and that's key. So now they're learning, they're working, they're getting paid. They went to take classes, and they have their license. So then it becomes, when are they ready to bite the bullet and take that chance and take that risk?
Right.
And they got to feel comfortable, but they also, you know, it's a tight wire that you got to walk. But today there's plenty of jobs, like we said.
Yeah, I would agree with that. I think 5 years is kind of the sweet spot. At least, you know, you need at least 5 years to.
Yeah, you need at least. I would say you need at least. It depends on how young you come in and what you know, right? How fast of a learner are you?
Right. Right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.